Right, that's the temperature today. Where's my finger? 0 feels like -5. I tried turning it on at stupid o'clock this morning, and if I'm right, all it did was pump, pump, pump. Didn't even try to ignite. So I've some bits to do outside. So I'm going to leave you staring at the heater while I do the bits that I need to do. It is cold out here. Hold on, what's the best angle for you? Right there. I'll extend the legs, that way a bit of see down. What can you see? What can you see? Not a right lot, so I'll drop that one, drop that one. Right, there you go. Right, I will leave you there. Well, oh, that sounded like it just flamed out. Well, at least it's trying to fire up. I'm out here in a t-shirt. Well, it's trying to fire up. I will go inside and knock it down to 1 pin. Well, I would say that has fired up. Yep, that's warm air coming out of there. Right, I'll leave you staring at that, and I'm going to go and do some bits. Well, I'm back and we're down to, a little bit of smoke, not a right lot. Don't know how long I was gone, I was just doing some measuring. Right, that's on 1 pip. I'm going to nip inside and put it up to 2 pips. Right, it's now on 2 pips. I'm going to go get a petrol container. When I come back, I'm going to go get some petrol later on, and then I'm going to soak the burn chamber in petrol, give it a good scrub out, and that should get rid of most of what's clagging it up in there. unfortunately I've just been in the shed and I've got nearly a gallon of petrol already, so don't need to go to the petrol station. Back, and it's still kicking out smoke. You can't really see it on the camera, so put it there. Right, you've still got a bit. I'm going to click it up to number 3. Right, it's now running on 3 pips. That seems to have picked up. I'll have to watch the video, see if that's actually getting faster. Definitely say that's getting a bit faster, there's a bit more smoke. I mean, for the amount of time it was on last night, all that's inside that burn chamber should have burnt away. So what I might do, I was debating whether to leave it running while I go out. A bit too smoky is that. I think what I'll end up doing is turning it off, letting it cool all the way down. Oh, that's a bit strong. Let it cool down, go do my running around, come back, strip it down, soak it in petrol, then put it back together and see what happens. But for now, you must be able to see that smoke. But that's on 3 pins. Right. Now I don't know whether to leave the video as it is because we're at 12 minutes of boring so far. But there's the 3 pins. Right, I'm going to turn it off and then I'll do the work on it later on. Add it to this clip and I'll see what happens, show you the results. Right, I'm back from my little trips. No smoke coming out of it. I left it on 4. Wife turned it up to 5, it started smoking. She turned it back down to 3, then up to 4. And this is how I've got it when I came home. But if you can listen to the pump, it's slowed down now. But it was pumping erratically. see the air bubbles going round. Okay. There, did you hear it? I'm not sure if that's where it's pumping air through. Not sure if you can see it, but there's a tiny bit of smoke coming out, and that's on 5, so I am now going to go in and turn it up to 6 and see what that does. Well, it's been running a couple of minutes on 6 pips. Got no coming out of it so far, so I'm going to leave it a bit longer and then check, and if it's running fine then I'll just leave it on. Right, it's been running on 6 pips for at least 5 minutes. I've just been outside. There's no smoke, but there's a smell of, it's like a diesel smell, or it's like a burnt, it's like an exhaust smell. It's worse than what it normally is. I think that's cleared it, so that'll be it for this one because there's no smoke coming out of it. Right, it's been running for a couple of hours now. I got a whiff of the diesel fumes or whatever it is, but apart from that it's running smoke free, so I'm gonna put these clips together and stick it on eBay so you lot can watch it. Right, if all goes wrong again, I shall do another video and let you know. Well, I'll probably do that tomorrow after it's been turned off that night. Right, I'll keep you updated. I'm just doing the editing, and that last bit there shouldn't have said eBay. I think I had a brain fart. I'm going to upload it to YouTube instead.